Hi, welcome to KimchiTech English, where we teach you practical English applicable in daily life. Today we shall practice useful conversations. First, listen to us carefully, then repeat after us. Only listening is not enough, you must speak too. Both listening and speaking are important if you want to be good at English. So let's begin.
What's this dog called? Fido. How is this dog called? Using a dog whistle. What do you think of her? She's nice. I liked her a lot. Could I have extension 238, please? That line is engaged. Would you like to hold? What are you going to do for the holiday? We might go to San Francisco. Are you and Jim still going out together? Oh yes, we're getting married in August. Are you more like your mom or your dad? I am more like my mom, I think. Where do you live? I live in New York. Who do you live with? I live with my parents. Have you had any coffee? Yes, I have. I don't want any more, thanks. Is Jimmy coming around tonight? No, he isn't. He's going out for dinner with his family. Is it cold out today? No, it isn't. It's quite warm. Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have. My brother's 22 and my sister's 16. Is it for free? Yes, it is. Is he paid well? Yes, he is. Which sports does he play? He sometimes plays golf. Isn't it tiring? Yes, it's very tiring indeed. I'm exhausted at the end of each day. Can I help you with something? Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. When do you get back? On the 24th. Could I have your name, please? Yes, Mary Sanders. May I speak to Miss Taylor, please? I'm sorry, she's not in. Have you decided yet? Yes, we'll go to Spain. How long have you been here in New York? Nearly 3 years. Are you enjoying it? We love it. What do you like best? The atmosphere and the mixture of all people. What is your hobby? I love reading books. Do you have a car? No, we don't. What's your hometown? I'm from San Francisco, California. Are you kidding? No, I'm serious. How much is it to Seattle? $300. What's new with you? I've got a new place to live. Why are you returning this sweater? Because it's not the right size. What's that called? It's an automated teller. Are you all right? Yes, I'm fine. Is he home? No, he's skiing. Are you a basketball fan? No, I like football better than baseball. Are you a baseball fan? No, I like football better than baseball. Why can't you go? Well, I just don't think I have enough money. Who's playing? The Bulls and the Heats. How tall is she? She's 5 feet 11. Where are you going? Home to take a nap. May I see you now? Of course. Are you on a diet? No diet. I just like to eat healthy food. What's this charge for? 1 tea, $2, and 1 cola, $3. Anything to drink? A large iced tea, please. What are you allergic to? I am allergic to fish. What's so funny? We're talking about Jim. Is this your first visit? No, I come here every 6 months. Do you have a reservation? Yes, Jackson, party of 4. Who's there? It's Jimmy. Am I interrupting? It's okay. I was just catching up on my blog. What's it about? Mostly it's about fashion. How do you like your new house? I love it downtown, so it's very convenient. Is there much crime? No, it's pretty safe. What's my score? 5 right and 3 wrong. Anybody home? I'm here. I'm in the kitchen. How often do you work out? I play tennis twice a week. Who's the winner? Manchester United. What's it for? It's for washing clothes. How well do you sing? Not very well, but I have a lot of fun. Does he have a wife? Yes, he does. What does he spend the money on? Fashion, fast food, movies. May I ask you a personal question? Go ahead. What's wrong with this hat? It doesn't go with your suit. You're joking, right? Yeah, of course. Do you agree? I sure do. Are you invited? No, I am not. No men allowed. Where are you from? I'm from Los Angeles in the U.S. Where's that? It's in the West Coast. Who wants to go first? I'll start. Whose turn is it? It's your turn. Are you ready? No, not yet. How much do I owe you? $100. Who is he? He is my boss, Mr. Josh. Do you know Marie? Marie? I've never heard of her. How's it going? Fine, thanks. What's up? Oh, not much. Where do you work? I work at Jason Travel. What do you do there? I'm a guide. Who do you work for? I have my own business. What is your dream job? I want to be a businessman. What are the hours like? I work hard. I often do a 60-hour week. Is it far for you to go to work? No, it isn't. Just 2 miles. Can you lend me $10? I'm sorry, I can't. I don't have any cash. Would you mind speaking more quietly? Sorry, we didn't know we were so loud. Can you help me with my homework? No problem. I'd be glad to. What's New York like? It's a very exciting city. Can I make a contribution to the meal? Certainly not. You're here as my guest. When do you get home tonight? I usually get home at midnight. How much are these gloves? They're $18. Are you sure? Of course I am. How sure are you? 99%. Do you mind waiting? Okay, that's fine. How long? Maybe 10 or 5 minutes. Should we leave a tip? No, look, service is included. What brings you to Australia? I came here for traveling. What time is the football on? It starts at 7. How's the weather today? It's raining all day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me, you will not want to miss what's next.